Hello again. The SAC64 language has now byte arrays. These are very limited data arrays that are supported by the microprocessor of the Commodore 64. Let's have a look. Let's open the newest example that is bundled with the SAC64 compiler. It shows how to use byte arrays. In short, the example program called example07 changes first the character block to use the lowercase characters. Then it scans through the first 4 lines of the screen and updates each word on the screen to begin with an uppercase letter. The program first defines constants that are used in the main loop. It then defines variables for the program. The first variable, called screen, captures the first 4 rows of the screen memory. This is a byte array. The second variable, called char_block, is the character block selector. The third variable, called I, is an index variable used in the main loop. The program starts by selecting the lowercase character block to be used for the screen. This turns all the characters on the screen to lowercase characters. Then there's the main loop. It goes through the first 4 lines of the screen. Within the loop, there's an if statement. It checks if the currently indexed character is a lowercase letter and if the character before it is a space character. In such a case, the if statement updates the letter to an uppercase letter. In effect, this makes each word on the first 4 rows of the screen to begin with an uppercase letter. Let's run the program to see how it works. As for the bytecode optimization, the microprocessor of the Commodore 64 supports indexing of byte values in memory. The instruction is of this form, where Y is the index register. As the microprocessor is an 8-bit processor, the index register is also an 8-bit register. This means that the index value can only be in the range from 0 to 255. And because of this, the byte arrays are limited to have at most 256 bytes. Let's consider the if statement in the bundled example. Here the condition expression of the if statement translates to a program fragment like this. The program fragment is coded by using the intermediate representation language. The assignment statement in turn translates to a program fragment like this. The indexed memory access in the program fragment is then directly translated to bytecode, and then we get the following bytecode representation. So that is what the byte arrays look like in the SAC64 compiler. There are still some features for the byte arrays that I would like to add, and that is what I'll be working on next. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!